Hello everyone, I am Soumya this side. Welcome to my channel and please subscribe me if you have not already subscribed. Your one subscription means a lot to me. And in today's video, I am here to complete this hands-on or a project which is to customize a service agent with prompt flows and actions. So in this video, I am going to do get agent ready. So this is the first um, hands on which we have to do. Okay, so I'm going to do this step by step and please follow me. And this hands on is very very important because it says a lot of steps what all we can do to customize our agents. Okay, so if you are someone who is working on agent force a lot, so this hands on is very important for you because it tells you little things which you can customize on the agents. Okay, so that when you are doing a module or a project, you can know that okay, these all are the things which I can customize on the agent. Okay, so let's start. First of all, you have to make your playground ready. So I have just launch my playground, and then you get an email something like this, and then you can reset your password and log into your org. But I have not connected to my playground yet, I think so. Okay, 1 minute, let me do that. So what we do is that here is the username which we get. So we are going to just copy the username and then the password which we made. Okay, so there's a reset password link which will go on your id. You can go and reset it there, and then you can save it and then allow it. Okay, so like that, it will help you. It will ask you that whether you want to connect this for hands-on challenges. You can say yes. Okay, so now finally we have connected to our org. Okay, and if you will launch here from here, okay, you will see that this is the org where everything is being configured. So this is how you can connect to your org. Now let's go step by step and see what they are saying. So okay, get the org ready and update the details. Okay, so first of all what we have to do is that we have to enable Einstein setup. We have to on the Einstein and Agentforce. Okay, this is the first step which we do whenever we are using Einstein. So let's go to setup, and let's go to Einstein here. And let's go to Einstein setup now. Sorry. 1 minute. There are so many with Einstein that sometimes we get confused which one to open. So we have to open this one, which is Einstein setup, and then I'm going to turn on Einstein here. Okay, and now I'm going to refresh it. So the Einstein is on, and then I'm going to go to Agentforce. Okay, so where is the Agentforce agents? It's here. I'm going to go here, and then I'm going to turn this on. Okay, so this is all we are going to do here. These two steps we will do. Okay, we are done now. Sorry. Okay, I'm just moving in. Now they're saying that first of all we have to click setup and turn on the Einstein, then turn on the agent. So okay, now click the enable the okay, what they're saying at the top, agent toggle. Okay, then we have to go to enable the agent force. Where is this one? I think this. Okay, so they are saying that we also have to enable the agent force default agent. Okay, so we have to enable both of these. Okay, now what they are saying that we have to update some user details. So we have to go in user. I'm going to refresh this once again so that the changes get reflected. We have to see that our agent force is on, and also the agent force default agent, this is on. Okay, now I am going to users. So we have to update some user. We have to edit it actually. So they are asking us to edit. Now what is the name of the user? They are saying Einstein service agent user. Okay, so let's see this one. So they're asking us to edit. I'll go in edit, and what information we have to edit is update the company. We have to update the company. Okay, now where is the company? Okay, this is the company. So I'm updating it. And then update the profile of this user to Einstein agent user. Okay, so profile I have to do this one, Einstein agent user. Okay, and leave everything as it is and save. So this is the first update we have to do in this user. Okay, and I have done this. This is done. Okay, now what we have to do, we have to improve a prompt template. Okay, so there is a template which they already have, which the name is generalized generate personalized schedule. And then I have to do some um, something in this template. Okay, I have to make it more better, and I have to improve it. So let's go. I'll go in the prompt builder first of all. And what is the name? Generate personalized schedule. Okay, so I'm going to open it. It is taking some time. Okay. Generate, right? So generate personalized schedule. Okay, it's a flex template. I just opened it. Now let's see what they are asking. So they are saying that in the prompt template workspace, move your cursor to the very beginning. Okay, and so there is enter to the very beginning of the prompt. Click enter return to add a blank line on the beginning and enter this text. Okay, so they are saying that I have to enter this text here. Okay, and in the beginning I have to enter a blank line and enter this. Okay, now they are saying the second is place your cursor before the first period after the word is and insert. Click insert resource current user first name. Okay, so I have to move my I have to keep my cursor here. Okay, and then they are saying that I have to insert resource and current user and then first name. So first name. Okay. Then what I have to do is that place your cursor after user first name, click the space bar and add. Okay, so now I have to add here again current user last name. Okay, so I have added here last name. Okay, and then they are saying place your cursor before the second period after the word at and then company name. Okay, so here I have to write current user and then company name. This one, user.company name. So this is done. Now they're saying find the line just below the user variables which starts with present the list of. Okay, okay, this one, present the list of. So they are saying delete this line and replace it with this. Okay, so I think for this line they're asking to delete and replace with this line. Okay. Okay, with the list of review the newly updated section of the prompt. So now the prompt should come something like this. Your name is username and last name and then company name and always introduce. Okay, always introduce with a list of. Always introduce with your full name. Then present the list of. Okay, I think this was okay, with a list of resort activities happening today. That I think this is incomplete. Okay, because I can't see. I'll What I will do is I am going to replace this one here. Okay, now it looks complete. Okay, now they are saying that find the line near the bottom that says tell the guest to reach out. Okay, so I think this line they're asking, right? Yeah, this one. And then with your cursor at the end of that line after the word activities, add a blank line. Okay, and then information is here. Okay, so I have to write after this blank line and then information about guest is here, right? This one they are saying. Okay, and then Okay, with the cursor at the end of here, click insert resource, record snapshot, my contact. Okay, so here I have to do insert resource, my contact, and record snapshot, this one. Okay, done. And then they are saying press enter return to add a blank line after this, and enter the text, use this information. Okay, so now I have to enter a blank line, and then I have to enter this text. Okay, and then the updated section of the prompt should look something like this: casual, okay, record snapshot, casual way of writing. Okay, list of activities, I'll just do one draw blank here, and then list of activities. Okay, I think we are good now. So what they're saying now, we have to test the prompt. Click the preview settings icon. Okay, so preview settings. Okay, I think this one, they are saying, right, preview settings is this, sorry. Okay, click the preview settings icon to expand the preview settings section. In the contact search for, select Sophia. Okay, so here I will select the contact Sophia. Okay, it comes, and then uh, click preview to see the generated response. Okay, so I click preview, I click preview. Now let's see, the response will come. My name is, okay, the name is appending today that match your interest. Okay, the activities are coming, right? And okay, all the activities are coming. Yeah, this is how we want. Feel free to reach out to the activities. Okay, good. I think everything is coming, the name is coming, and the interest. Okay, this looks good. Now they're saying that save as a new version. Okay, now I'm going to save this as a new version, so version 3 is created. Review the response section to see how the template affects the test response. Feel free to toggle the preview languages to review the various language. Just return the language back to English. So they are saying that you can just play around, you can just use different languages. Okay, so if I'll use Dutch here, then you can see that how the preview will come in Dutch language. So like that, you can just play around and see that, how the input will vary in different languages. So that's you can do. Okay, so this is how it is coming in Dutch. So I'm going to move it to English for now, okay, to save it. And now let's see what next they are saying. Update the prompt template model. Okay, while still in prompt builder, click the properties to view the template settings section. Now I am going to click on this, okay, the properties one. And then they are saying to change some things here. Expand the input section, and model type is set to standard. Okay, this is standard, this is good. Select GPT-4 Omni Mini. Okay, I think this is the same only, GPT-4 Omni Mini. Okay, and then they are saying that click the preview settings icon. Ensure, okay, so the preview settings and Sophia is again coming. Okay, they are asking to check this. Ensure the preview language is set to English. Yeah, that we did. Click preview. Notice that the response is slightly different than before. Click the properties icon. Okay, did they do anything here? I don't think so, right? Oh, okay, okay, okay. This is not selected. They're asking us to select. No. Yeah, yeah. GPT-4. I have to select this GPT-4 Omni Mini, right? Which one I have to select? GPT-4 Omni Mini. Yeah, okay. And then they are saying that I have to just preview this, that how this is coming. That I mean the response will come little bit differently. They are saying, okay. So click the preview settings, ensure this preview, and then the response is slightly different than before. Okay, and then okay, so let's see. Yeah, it is different because you did you notice that there was no spacing here? Now some spacing is coming. It was coming like as a full line, and here also there was no spacing. So yes, the response is definitely different. Now they're saying that we have to click on this view this model. Okay, so we are clicking on it. With the Einstein Studio open, click the edit button. In the model configuration side panel, click the create. Okay, here they are saying that we have to do something, so let's do this edit, and we have to do some editing here. Okay, let's see what they're asking to do. So this is the studio, Einstein studio. Okay, so here whatever model we are selecting here, we can edit that model here. Okay, so we are going to edit some temperature of the model here. Okay, so with the Einstein I edit and the model, select the create model radio button. Okay, so I'm going to select here create model, and then they are saying that change the temperature to zero point 0.3. Now this temperature thing is very very important. Okay, what this temperature do is that either you can take it closer to 0 or you can take it closer to 1. Okay, so it should be closer than closer to 0. The more it is close to 0, the more predictable, and you can read this also. Okay, so it is saying that lower temperature value closer to 0 means that the output will be more focused, more deterministic. Okay, this is what we want, and more predictable. And as we go closer to 1, the output will be more diverse and less predictable. Okay, so it will increase the randomness. So they are saying that it was point 0.2 till now. Okay, so now we are going to do it point 0.3. Okay, so point 0.4 and point 0.3. Okay, this is point 0.3. Now they are saying that point 0.3, by moving the dot to see sample of this writing, enter the prompt, enter this prompt. Okay, so they are saying that here I will enter this prompt. Okay, to see that how, click generate, feel free to. Okay, now I am going to click on generate here. Okay, so I'll see generate response, and they're saying that just play around, just see that this is the response, surfing a spot, this. Okay, so this is the response when I'm saying write a 200-word article about how surfing got started. Okay, now if I will move this to something like point 0.9, oh sorry, I'm not saving it, I'm just generating. Okay, then you will see that it will not be, they're saying it will not be related. A legendary look. They're saying Hawaiian ruler, often credited amongst transition. So this is how this is how the response is going to change. Okay, so we have to keep the temperature closer to zero point 0.3 if we want accuracy, and we don't want some randomness. So we can change. I mean, we can edit and we can create our model however we want from the Einstein studio. Okay, so this is very important to see that how what all we can do in our Einstein studio. So they are saying that uh, uh, feel free to test. Okay, whatever you want to test, click save. The model is being saved, not the example prompt. Okay, enter the information. Now they are saying that I have to save this. Okay, now they are saying that enter the name of the model as business writing. Okay, and then enter the description as this. So I'm going to write a description, and then they're saying that create a model. So now the model which will be created will be with this temperature, which is zero point 0.3. Okay, after you create, click choose. Okay, what they're saying, sorry, after you create your new model, click close. Okay, sorry, click close. So let's click close now. And then now they are saying that we have to test this model. Okay, if the is not still open in another tab, click the setup and prompt builder. Okay, now we have to open this prompt builder. Okay, so now I'm opening it from here because it was already open for me. Okay, so I'm opening it from here. So they are saying that in the model settings, now we created one new model, right? So I'm going to select that model. What was the name of the model which we just created? What is the name? Sorry, business writing. Oh, I think it is not coming here. First we have to select custom, right? That is custom because we created it. Now business writing. Okay, it is coming now. So they are saying that okay, business writing, it came right. Now click save preview settings. They are saying save. Okay, and then they're saying go to preview settings. In the contact, search for Sophia. Okay, so let me search for Sophia again. Okay, Sophia is here, and then click preview. Review the phrasing and structure of the response changes when the model type is updated. Okay, so now we are going to see that how it will change. Let's see. So they are saying that since the model type is updated, where the temperature is also updated, right? So the response is no more business like due to the model settings. Okay, so click activate and black arrow to return to setup. So this is what they're saying. Name is here is a list of. So this is how, I mean, like whatever, however you want to customize it, right? You can customize it based on your requirement. So this is kind of more business like now what the response is coming. Okay, so this is simply a way that how can we use the Einstein Studio, okay, to generate our own agent, and how can we make the response of the agent the way which we want. Okay, so like this you can do it and try for more things, try for more temperature settings, and see that how it works out. So okay, let me I think we are done here. Okay, for now I'm going to return, and let me check this challenge and see that whether it is completed or not. And this is a hands-on which is very important because it helps you to know the Einstein Studio, that what all we can do in the Einstein Studio. Also it helps you a lot about the prompt builder, that how we can test and all those things. So in the next video I will be doing this customizer service agent with prompt flows. Okay, what they're saying, make sure is activated. Oh, okay. I think this is not activated. Let me activate it. This was the one, right? Okay. So they are saying that, wait 1 minute. I have to select this Sophia. I have to go here and custom, and then I have to select this. Okay. And then I have to activate it. So I just forgot to activate, so that's why it is not getting checked. Now I'll do again, so maybe now it will get checked. Okay, so this was about my first video, and in the second video I'm going to cover the next unit, okay, of this badge, which is very important. So this is done. Thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe me. Have a nice day. Bye bye.